Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking this go-kart that I bought it off of the GT for only 50 bucks and we're going to turn it into an electric go-kart. What we need to do is, before we started doing this video, we had to fix the steering wheel because both of the wheels were offset. Then we had to tighten this because it's still loose now. And after this, now we need to get a board of wood, remove these two back wheels, so we can make something where we're going to put the motor and the batteries for the go-kart. Okay, here is the Ecolo cycle. This is where the motor is that we have to extract from the bike. And first, before we do that, we had to open up the battery case. These were the original batteries that were running, and there's something wrong with them. So here are the new batteries that we have to wire up. And when we're done, we're just going to put that on there. And after we do that, then we extract this from the bike onto the go-kart, and then we solder together the batteries, do everything you need to do with the batteries, and then we take this off, and then we start working on the go-kart. Hey guys, now we're gonna get the battery all soldered together. The jointments I need to make is this. I have thin black wire, heavy duty wire, connecting them all together. I have to get that one to that one, this one to those, and this one to those. And I'm ready to do it. Okay, now our batteries are all soldered together. Now we have to put the cover on, and then we have to work on some other stuff. I've just tested the battery and it works great for this. Expecting because the go-kart's lower down, it's going to go faster than the highest speed of the e-bike.
What is it that you're working on?
Right now I'm taking apart the bike, and I am gonna take apart the bike, put all the screws and bolts in one place where they can't escape, so I don't lose them. And then I'm going to take apart all the lights, and I'm going to then take all those parts and put it on the go-kart. Hey guys, welcome back. Right here we're about to take off the motor, and then we're going to do some other stuff with the speed controller and the DC converter.
Working on, Jake?
I'm working on, right now working on getting the shocks off. Now I'm trying to get off the main frame of the back wheel. What I'm working on here is I am right now trying to see if this would fit in for it. I'm having difficulties trying to get it in.
What are you doing, Jake?
I'm right now tightening on the main L brace for the shocks.
And what about the second set of tires in the back? You gonna leave those on, or?
I feel like I'm gonna leave them on. I'm about to drill a hole into the seat.
What for?
So we can put on the suspension.
Okay. Okay, Jake, well, you just took your first ride. You did a pretty good job at mounting that wheel on the back there. And I was just kind of wondering, like, what was your impressions of the ride?
The ride, when it was only on the lawnmower wheels, it was really bumpy and it hurts when you go off a bump. But now with this back wheel, it's much softer when you go up a bump.
How about the suspension? Can you feel the suspension working?
Yeah, the suspension always works on the bumps. If I push down on the back, you can sort of see what's happening with the suspension.
Okay, cool. Okay, so what are we working on now, Jake? You got your suspension in?
Now we have to wire it all up.
Okay, so
to give it the first test.
Okay. What are those that you're holding there?
This is a speed controller and a DC to DC converter.
Okay. So how do you know which one goes to which?
I've marked it with either 2 or there's a piece of tape on them that tells you which one they are. Okay. Possibly ask for a few of these. We'll go. Not that. Now, if you can see on the video, it says 48 volt. It's about 51 volts, really. And we're powering it all with that battery. I think it's back here. It's this one, DC converter. There we go.
Okay.
It's off now.
Okay.
This is your accelerator. Accelerator 3000.
Okay.
But because it's not attached to something, I'm thinking I'm just gonna hold it to the ground and turn it.
Okay, so why don't you plug it in and let's see what happens here.
Okay. It's plugged in.
Okay, so what's the plan here? You just sitting that battery on there loosely just for a test or what?
Just for a test.
Okay.
And then we're gonna mount it somewhere else.
Okay.
On. It's on now.
Remember, you got no brakes.
Yeah.
Wow.
So what we have here now is I wired up all of the cables all the way to here. They're all together. We have one, this is where we charge it. This is just a random cord from it, and this is the main battery. Then we also screwed this to the floor, which is the speed controller and DC to DC converter. Because the battery, when riding, if I start accelerating, hit a bump, this thing would tip down and smash everything. So we added a little block of wood to go underneath the battery. And also we made the floor for this, 2 walls, and then we have everything that wires through. And then we have all the front cables and wires right here. We still have to connect all this stuff up for the front of it.
Okay, so you're gonna show us how it works, or?
Okay. Let me just stuff that all under there again. Get it. Brake doesn't work. I have no brakes. Let's stuff 1 second. Having technical difficulties. Okay. Here we have, then you turn it on with the switch. Then we have a little twist throttle here that helps it go.
James, stay here, please.
Dad, after Jacob tries it, can I try it, Dad? Please? Can I?
No, you're too small.
What? I'm too small? I'm not too small. Then how old do you need to be to drive it?
I don't know, like 8?
No. Up to 4-year-olds can drive that thing. More than 4 years, higher than 4 years old. Now I'm 6 years old.
How's it working?
Working pretty good.
Dad, please can I try it, Dad? Please can I drive it?
Well, it's not mine. It's Jacob's. He built it.
Jib, can I try driving it, please?
If I show you, yes.
Okay.
So what we're doing next is we're gonna connect a brake pedal to go to here, and we're gonna have a big brake line going all the way through, back here, and connecting into the bike. So we got a brake pedal here, a big long metal bar that we're gonna make into the brake pedal, and first I have to cut it down. What we're doing now is we gotta use the angle grinder to flatten off a spot to put in the cotter pins and the brake line. And the angle iron is gonna help us flatten it down so we can put it into the drill press.
So what are you doing?
Right now I am putting in a cotter pin and putting on the washer for the brake. welcome back. Now, we're gonna go with the brake pedal first. The brake pedal has been hooked up to this wire, goes underneath, it's zip tied all the way under, it goes underneath here and comes right up into the brake. And that's how the brake works. The way we designed this is we took shear pins and washers, bent some metal, and when you press down, this will pull, activating the brake.
What are you doing now, Jake?
Painting the go-kart.
Color?
Fiery red. Here we have the gas pedal, and you know how I used to have that twist throttle? Well, the twist throttle's gone now. Twist throttle's actually inside, and we have this all wrapped up onto it. We have the whole wire wrapped inside onto the twist throttle, so when I press the gas, it'll start going. Other changes is that we painted the back, put on a back panel, put a little thing right there to make sure the battery just doesn't slip out and fall onto the wheel. And we also cut a hole for the ignition. So here, how we made the throttle slash gas is that we took a cable, almost the same as the brake, but the brake, it goes through the floor into the wheel. Instead, the cable wraps around and goes into the main box. The steering box, it then wraps around this, and then when I pull the gas, the throttle turns to give it power. But when we do that, to add more tension, we put on a spring.